Let's have a look at simplifying this ratio that involves 4 terms. So the terms are 10,080 to 1,080 to 108 to 18. So this is one where using the fraction button on the calculator or that little shortcut, you might struggle with that perhaps, but there is another function on the calculator that's very useful. Let's sort of have a look at this. And what I really need to know is what is the greatest common divisor or the highest common factor of these 4 terms. And if I can find that out quickly, then I'd know what to divide all 4 terms by. So we're going to introduce a function on the calculator called greatest common divisor, which is just above the multiplication key there in red, okay, GCD, which means greatest common divisor or highest common factor. So the way we invoke that is anything in red on the calculator, you need to press the alpha key first. So press alpha, a little a will come up on the sort of the top left hand corner of the screen. Press the multiplication key and you'll see the letters GCD come up with an opening bracket there. So what we're going to do is we're going to find the GCD of the first 2 numbers, okay, or the first 2 terms. Okay, so and let's work out what that is. So what we're going to do is we're going to enter in those 2 numbers, those 2 terms. So 10,080. Okay, now we need to separate the two terms with a comma. So you press Shift, okay, and closing bracket there, so a little comma will appear, and then 1,080 and close bracket. Okay, and then we get 360. Okay, for the first 2 terms. Then what we need to do is we need to find the greatest common divisor of the last 2 terms. Okay, now rather than entering in everything again on the calculator, you can scroll back using the replay buttons. Okay, so we want 108, so I might just, and you can do it in any order really. So I'm just going to sort of cheat a little bit here and type in just 18 and 108, doesn't matter which order. Okay, press equals, and we get GCD for the final 2 terms, or the last 2 terms. The GCD is 18. That's basically the highest common factor, okay, is 18. In other words, 18 will divide 18, 18 will also divide 108. For the first 2 terms, 360 will divide 1,080, 360 will also divide 10,080. So finally what we need to do is to find the GCD of those 2 numbers, these 2 GCDs we just worked out, and then we found the greatest common divisor of all 4 terms. So again, let's go back and sort of, we can cursor back. We're going to type in 360, so this number there, Shift closing bracket to get the comma, and then 18. Okay, and we get 18. Okay, so therefore, okay, the GCD, okay, of basically 10,080, all 4 terms, 108, 18 is equal to 18. So this means that all of these terms can be divided by 18. So let's do that. Okay, so the simplified ratio. Okay, is 560, then 1,080 again divided by 18 to 60, 108 divided by 18 is 6, and 18 divided by 18 is 1, and this is our simplified ratio. Now you've learnt the GCD function on the Casio calculator.